In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select Wallpaper tab. Tap on Agree to grant the authorization, and now just select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. You can choose one from your local photos, recently used photos, pre-installed apps or live wallpaper. I will pick pre-installed, and now just pick the picture that you like the most, that you would like to cover your screen. It can be, for example, this one. Obviously you can pick whichever you want to. And let me pick, for example, this firstly chosen. Then tap on apply, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen only, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, and from now on it's covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.